According to the American Psychology Association, willpower is the ability to resist short-term temptation in order to achieve long-term goals. Simply put, it is the ability to resist gratification. It is truly a minimum requirement for success, but with social media and modern technology, it has become a scarce resource. Today I'm going to talk about 3 experiments that truly show us its importance, how to optimize it, and how to have a lot of it. The first experiment is famously called the Stanford Marshmallow Test. It was designed by Walter Mischel. In this experiment, a group of children were given the option to have a marshmallow right away or 2 marshmallows after waiting for 15 minutes. Those who had waited for the entire 15 minutes to get double the reward were said to have more willpower. But the experiment did not end there. The students who had more willpower were further assessed in life. It was found that they were more successful. They were more educated, they had better health, and had better jobs. The second experiment that I'm going to talk about was designed by Dr. Roy Baumeister. He theorized that willpower, like a muscle, gets fatigued after a strenuous activity. So, to prove this, he and a group of experimenters had designed an experiment to test this. In this experiment, a group of people were made to sit in front of a chocolate reward, after which they would have to go through an assessment. Those who had resisted the temptation to have the chocolate performed worse than those who had given in to the temptation to have the chocolate before the test. So what does this tell us about willpower? Simply having chocolate gives you more willpower? No. Simply put, it says willpower is kind of like a battery. When you have a lot of it, it's easier to do more difficult tasks than when you have less of it. So those who had eaten the chocolate did not spend as much willpower in controlling that urge and had more willpower to perform better at the exam. The third experiment that I'm going to talk about is designed by Dr. Veronica Job of Stanford University. In this experiment, it was found that even our beliefs about willpower gives us the amount we have. Those who believed that they had infinite amount of willpower truly had a lot of willpower than those who believed who had limited amounts. So, what conclusions can we draw from these scientific studies? From the first experiment, it gives us the importance of willpower. Indeed, it connects to the saying, where there is a will, there is a way. So, if you have a strong enough will, you will find a strong enough way to achieve something that you want. The second experiment shows us how to optimize your willpower levels. It simply says, do the most difficult tasks the first instead of postponing them for later. That's because as you go throughout the day, the amount of willpower that you have available is less. So the most difficult tasks is usually done well in the morning. And the third experiment gives us the power of having a growth mindset. Always believe that you can have infinite amount of willpower, or at least you can develop much more willpower. I hope that this talk has been helpful to you. Thank you.